Hello and welcome to a new Ring My Barber tutorial. You will learn how to reload your SMS balance. To do so, navigate to the menu and then to the marketing section. From here, tap the text messages link. This is the screen where you will see your SMS balance. Two options are available to purchase additional SMS. The first is to set the auto reload. The second is to purchase a number of a minimum of 100 SMS manually. In addition, you can check your transaction summary at any point. For questions, please tap the chat icon on your mobile app and send us a message. We will be happy to assist.